Hello guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today I just got done filming another video. I'm trying to film a lot of videos. Let's play. We're already in. I just filmed my Spectre video. I'm gonna keep this at 7. Forecast shows it's sunny with a potential storm thing. This is called Tornado Alley Ultimate. You can see by this guy telling you the name, Tornado Alley Ultimate. So one of the things you want to find is, here, I'll explain basically everything. So there's different items you can find. For example, you can find a bat, you can find a fire extinguisher, you can find some other random things, I think. I don't know, I haven't been playing this game for that long. As you can see, I got a trail and a perk, but that's it. Incoming fog will hinder your vision. Watch carefully for the tornado. So the forecast, so it gets slow because in the corner you guys can't see it, but I can. Oh yeah, that. Yep. Show me the Amber Alert noises. I got it. Oh, even more Amber Alert noises. I'm gonna turn this down. That's loud. As you can see, tornado, but instead tornado. Yeah, there's the actual siren. Oh God, it's right there. Okay, never mind. So if you look, the tornado is right there. There can be special tornadoes. For example, I forgot how loud this game is. I'm turning that down more. Oh, it's because of built. Your ears are dying. I should have put like a warning. Oh! Basically, after this, so that's the bunker right there. The bunker key, if you can find the bunker key, you can go in there and then you're safe. You don't have to worry about the actual storm. Because you're safe down there. Oh goodness, no. Don't catch me on fire. Don't catch me on fire. I'm just gonna walk out of here. Okay, so basically, as I was explaining, the bunker keeps you safe from anything. You don't have to worry about anything. Now, if I look in here, the injuries, you can hurt your character. So if you hurt one of your legs, your character like bends down and you walk slower because you're trying not to injure your leg or break it more. And that's because you can fall from high heights. But also, if you break your head, you get paralyzed. You can call for help and someone can pick you up. That's why they have the bat, so you can like break open the windows for either an escape or you can save somebody. But that's the tornado right there. It's an EF1. Right now, like, I don't know. I'm gonna get soon if I record another Spectre video. I'm just gonna look at that and I'm gonna say, I'm gonna look at like the beeping thing. And I'm gonna be like, the something here? I feel like I just heard like a little beep. It's like beep. There's also another perk where if something gets set on fire, I'm immune to it because obviously if you look right here, there's fire. And if I get too close, it'll set me on fire. Too close to fire, you're burning up, and it like drains your health. 8 perished and 10 survived. There is hope to recover. Yeah, and then it ends with like a happy ending. Anyway, so now I was explaining the bunker, and it says, it's called the shelter key. If you have Robux, you can actually buy the shelter key, and you just immediately get it. I'm pretty sure that's how it is. So anyways, if I look in the shop, oops. I was waiting for this to go away. Yeah, this game. So the game, to any game mode, disable/enable lightning. Oh, this is the VIP stuff. See, there's the game up there, Tornado Alley Ultimate. it says new update arrives in, but the development is complete. Again, the loud noises. Yeah, see, look for loot in maps, loot such as baseball bat, fire extinguisher come in handy. Fire extinguisher makes it so you cannot die. See, they're on offer. You can purchase something for 15 Robux. I'm gonna go with Holiday World. Because, well, it's Christmas. Yeah, no, it's not Christmas. Yeah, so we're just gonna do this right now. Right now I'm trying to get the other perk, which is the fire one, because there's no way I'm gonna get the one where... Anyways, there's no way I'm gonna get the one where it shows you where the bunker is. Because you get the key, you have no idea where the actual bunker is. Low gravity. Survive a tornado as well as low gravity. I was thinking this is going to be a good thing, but this is not. I feel like that's a normal thing. We've received breaking news from the Roblox Arctic Research Division. As you can see right here, it says help. Am I missing out or something? Does it not work for me? Where that help sign came from, that's actually somebody who couldn't move. Yeah, give it at me. See, look, I'll show you. Sometimes the windows will break open. Yeah, see, it says in the bottom, I don't know if you guys can see it, it says, use bat to break windows if needed. Oh, it hasn't lowered yet. Yeah, no, for some reason it doesn't work. I think it only works when the tornado comes in. Also when the, you have loud noises again. Also when the zombie NATO, the dead NATO, sort of hard to say, comes in, zombies summon, and you can beat the zombies with the bat. And when you do that, oh, I see what it means. Okay, yeah, no, for sure. Oh, wait. That person, I need to help this person. So once this tornado goes away, I'm gonna help this person, because they do need help. That's good. Yeah, everybody's fine. Saw some music playing, like loud. Like, oh no! Oh no! Wait, we have low gravity. Yeah, I'm not gonna die because I have low gravity. Then fire extinguisher puts that out right there. I think I know where the bunker is. It should be over here. Somewhere around here. And then, like, I'm pretty sure a key can spawn on that table. I think. I don't even know. Okay. There was somebody who requested for help, but I think they died. Because they're definitely not around. Definitely not around. Extra disaster can happen. An extra disaster can happen. And, oh no. Well, this is what it's come down to. Me going across the floor. Oh my goodness. Really? I had 5 seconds left, and the tornado did like a combo on me. Like a straight up combo. What it did was it rolled me across the ground, then it threw me up against a building, and then it struck me with lightning. Oh, that's not good. Hold on. The bunker. You can find the bunker. Hold on, yeah. Go. We gotta go. Okay. Those people can move. Special broadcast. I think I'm gonna end the video after this. Special broadcast. Please stand by. So after this atomic bomb, I'm gonna end the video. Nuclear missiles have been launched. You must hurry quick. They're coming. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, we're definitely gonna die. Oh no. Oh, it's coming in. Yeah, you die. Because this is the nuclear missiles. Nuclear missiles will kill you like immediately. Oh no! I'm not gonna make it, am I? I'm not gonna make it, for sure. Nope. Not making it. Oh no. Please. Oh my god. Oh my. Well. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah. I'm good. Oh no, I'm not good. Definitely not good. This is the... Yeah, so they completed the development on this game. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Just keeping it short, you know. Hope you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.